white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
Y'all, we just made it back in. Let me show you this stuff. Tia's already done left. Y'all know she bought a whole lot of fruit and frozen fruit and all that. If y'all have not seen the video, please go check it out. It's going to be on the main channel of everything that we did today. We went to, well, we went
Christmas shopping.
Yeah, but where did we go? We went to Belks.
Ulta, Ross. We're going to Belks next week. We're going to PetSmart next week. We're going to Five Below next week. So stay tuned to that. And then we went to Walmart to get our stuff to prepare for our outings for this week.
Right. Share with you guys when we are traveling. Y'all gonna see when we make it there to Florida, while we're there. And I will be putting up videos on each channel. We're gonna go grocery shopping for just, you know, while we're there. So when we go grocery shopping, I'm gonna have the walkthrough, I'm gonna have the haul, and then whatever Jordan is cooking and stuff he's doing, he's gonna share it. Because since Mama Margaret's not going, I want her to still be able to experience and see stuff that we're doing. So here's the Walmart portion of the haul. So I hope everybody's doing well, being blessed. I'm tired. We've been out since 10:30 because Riante had an interview at 11 and it's almost 4. So I'm tired. So I'm going to start right here. Well, Alicia want to do her, but I'm going to start here so I can put my ice cream up. But I did get Philip. Yeah, hold these two, please. I got Philip these two pair of pants. One of them is the black and blue Pumas. They was $10, $9.99 at Belks. 10. And then I got him the Savage joggers so he can have them for his trip to Disney. I just got 2 new pair to go with the rest of the stuff that he already have. And then I got me some pretty little undies just because if y'all could say y'all seen that haul, y'all would see these. I thought this was cute because it got the little thing on the back. But you don't worry about the size.
You don't need that.
It's a big girl size, so that's all y'all need to know. Yeah, it's a big girl size.
Get down.
And then I was able to find me a Dove Silk Glow, the
down
body wash, and it was $6.99, and that's a big size bottle. I bought Savannah a dog toy. And this is just for her to play with now, because right now Milo has a lot of dog toys and Savannah don't, because all the ones she had she ate up.
Milo has 2 because Daxter and Savannah come and bite up Milo's toys.
Right. So
Milo has 2.
So yeah. Then I just got 1 case of drinks just for the house. I got me some Golden Flakes hot and a Golden Flake barbecue sweet heat. Again, if y'all see that vlog, y'all will see I was going for Raisin Bran and they had none. So I just got this small little thing to last because we're going to be leaving out in a couple of days. I got some cantaloupe chunks. Mama got a York and a Hershey. And then I got a 6-pack of Hershey's. One of the Edwards 2 slices of cookie and cream pies. I got me a thing of toothpaste to travel with and 1 for Philip. He already got an extra thing of deodorant. I needed an extra thing of deodorant. And then I got this mouthwash for him because I already have one of these for a travel one. Well, a small one like this for myself. And I think that was it because everything else he already has. So I wasn't going to buy all that extra stuff. So I got a thing of Rocky Road and a thing of vanilla ice cream. I'm going to eat this one tonight. I got a thing of lettuce and tomatoes. We just wanted plain lettuce and tomato salad with salt and pepper and some dressing. And then Alicia, I'm going to let her tell y'all what she got.
I got some Breyers chocolate truffle ice cream, and it's the dark chocolate version. And this is so good, okay? So good. And you don't need a lot to, like, fill you up. So, I have that. I got some Snickerdoodle cookie mix because I've been wanting some Snickerdoodles, and yeah, so I'm probably going to make these tonight, actually. Then I got some Sour Patch Kids. I wanted to try it. It's the berries. It was only $1, so, like, no harm done. I got these. They're just regular yogurt, and they're 15 grams of protein per, and they don't have any, like, added sugars or fat or stuff like that. And these are really good for, like, post-workout meals. And then, if y'all know me and y'all have seen, like, the hauls before, I'm obsessed with Kodiak cakes. It's just a great way to get, like, taste and protein all in one. And I got the pancake and waffle mix just in, like, the regular chocolate chip version, and these have 14 grams of protein per serving. And these are just, like, a great alternative. And I also, if you've seen, I get the muffin mix as well, and I'm going to wait to get those for Christmas because I'm going to make some, like, muffins for myself. And I think that's all I got.
She got some canes. Her and Tiaja both got canes. And then Renate got her stuff. I got Philip a personal pan pepperoni. And then he's eating leftovers as well. I just knew I wasn't cooking. And he already done, ate by the time we got back home. But, you know, Mama had fried chicken and macaroni. And I did mashed potatoes, sweet peas. So he had leftovers. Then I got me a pizza. And then I got me and Jordan each a Nacho Bel Grande. And yes, I'm going to eat my pizza and Nacho Bel Grande because I'm hungry and I didn't eat anything today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Like I said, if you have not watched the walkthrough yet, y'all please go over and check out that our shopping walkthrough for Christmas. I told you guys, y'all going to see a lot more videos from us. You guys, please make sure y'all post notifications are on so y'all will not miss anything that we have going on and that we will have going on. I still have to go grocery shopping for Christmas. When I get back Monday on the 20th, Mama has a doctor's appointment. Then on the 21st, me and Mama, and I mean Mama Margaret, we both have appointments on the 21st. I still got to finish up my Christmas shopping, grocery shopping. I got to go get the cakes I ordered from Sam's. So I'm not nowhere near being done. And Miss Angela, I did not forget about your pecan candy. Y'all know everybody in the house was sick the past 2 weeks, and I did not want to make anything and send it to you while we were sick. But when I get back and after Christmas, I'm going to make it and I'm going to send it to you so you will have it before the new year. So I'm pretty sure you understand. But like I said, I just did not feel comfortable making it. And like I said, everybody in the house was sick. So hopefully you understand that. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure y'all are subscribed if you are not. Make sure y'all notification bells are on. And we will see you guys in the next video. Later, y'all.